Welcome back to DOZZY'S Life, y'all. On the menu today, we're gonna be making us a Starbucks drink. We're gonna go on ahead and call it what they call it, a caramel ribbon crunch, Rocky Ra's way. Okay, so just go on ahead and get everything that you need for this. Use 3 teaspoons of the coffee. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 cup of water, let's put caramel all around our cup as much as you would like, because guess what? You are at home and there is no extra charge. Caramel it down, baby. Put it at the bottom as well. Yum! Make sure you crush your ice cubes unless you already buy crushed ice. Pour in your coffee, 1 cup of milk, pour your beverage in there. Top it off with some whipped cream if that's what you like. Cool Whip, Ready Whip, whatever it is. Use some of those Heath candy flakes. Put that caramel on top. All right, y'all, it's time to enjoy our caramel ribbon crunch made at home. Yum! See you on the next video. Y'all don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.